This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into each Google account that may host a Scholar profile. Once signed in, go to Scholar. Google.com and open the profile menu to view your profile. Make sure to record the profile name, linked email, and publication count so you can identify duplicates. If names or publications differ slightly, note matching articles. This helps decide which account to keep. Now that you have clear records, prepare to merge or delete the duplicate profile next. You must decide which profile you want to keep. Pick the one with verified email, higher citation count, and correct affiliation. Once chosen, open the duplicate profile and transfer publications. Use Edit to add missing papers to the primary profile or select Merge if available. If Scholar lacks merge tools, export citations from the duplicate and import into the primary, then remove duplicates manually. If you can't complete transfer, prepare a concise support request to Google Scholar explaining duplicates and citing profile ID. You finish by removing all publications from the duplicate profile so it can be deleted. Use the profile settings to delete the profile entirely. Once deleted, sign out and then sign into your primary account to verify every publication, citation, and co-author appears correctly. If something is missing, re-import the exported citations or redo the manual transfers. If deletion fails or data looks wrong, take screenshots, note profile ID, and escalate to Google Scholar support with those details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.